going out in the middle of the sea, the wind in your hair, water at your feet, birds, and beautiful sunsets. It's just something that took my breath away when I was 10 years old and kind of stayed with me every day ever since. Became a certified sailor at that time because it was run by the Navy and the Yacht Club. But yeah, and as I came towards the end of my course, they told me I should try doing a championship because I have potential in racing and sailing, and apparently I was a natural. I don't know how that was, but my first national was in Goa. So I started sailing in Bombay, then went to Goa, then Chennai, Hyderabad, in India. I think at the age of 14, I was selected for the my first Asian Sailing Championships, and that started the reign of international events. So the Asian Sailing Championships, the Ida Asians, and then I was in China and Korea. Went for the World Championships in Malaysia, again in Korea, and till I was 15. 15, I went for the Asian Games. As a country, India is pushing only for sports, like the sports that are possibly in the Olympics. And they buy only the boats that are in the Asians and the Olympics. We don't get the other boats because they don't see why we should be sailing boats that are not really the sailing boats that are not just for fun. They prefer us to be in an international field, racing all the time. And at the rate it's going currently with all the support from the different organizations in bringing awareness, I think it'll be up there in another year or two. We want to do the 2016 Olympics because we have the women's team for India. And we came into the top 60 in the world in 2012. Until then, develop more sailors, get more women on the water, kids on the water, form new teams. I think the more competition we have, I think the better it is for everyone. And we teach sailing, take people out sailing, do anniversaries, birthdays, everything on the water on sailboats. So it's an eco-friendly thing. You can take your sailing experiences to any level you like. You can either be a participant or you can just sit back and enjoy. First, we started with the Discover Sail, which is just going out and enjoying sailing, thinking of what you'd like to do with it, if it's for you, if it's not for you. Then from there, you can either graduate into a person who does time on water, which is just fun and going out with friends every week. Or you can do a course, which is a certified course by the Yachting Association of India. And that course entitles you to go out sailing on your own, come back in, know the rules of the way. And after your certification, you can sail anywhere in India and in Asia. Boats, boat parties, corporate events, everything. So we do, in our corporate events also we have got team building and corporate parties, which are two different things. And corporate training. So there's corporate team building training and parties. The team building is just 2-day events. The training events are 10 days where the team from different offices come work together and bond as a team. Because on a boat, it's very different. And the instructor course in India is a 15-day course where you do your first aid safety procedures and your safety boat, and then you do your instructor course. And the instructor course doesn't teach you how to sail, it teaches you how to teach sailing. And after that, you can branch off into any state, teach in any state, run a club if necessary. I think at the moment there are about 150, 160 instructors already existing. Not everyone is teaching. A lot of people sail other people's boats or just go around the country doing little camps here and there, or just enjoy life as a sailor. So the YMCA is a big organization that gives everyone an opportunity to enter sports and different sections, and it brings that activities to people who are just normal people. And as sailors, we've been doing the same thing but only with sailing, so we decided to join with the YMCA to bring sailing to everyone and anyone.
Sure. The sea has always enamored me. I've enjoyed the sea, and whenever I was at Colaba, at the branch which is nearest the Gateway of India, I used to always wish that we could do something with sailing. And well, it happened this time with Q Sports. We were able to tie up with L Sails and start off a sailing club. So youngsters can enroll, become a member of the sailing club at the Y, and with that they would get special discounts for their individual sales. Plus, they can also get qualified, the Yachting Association of India training program is offered to them at special rates, and that is something I think many young people don't get a chance. And when we were young, we didn't have that chance, and I think it's something that is now available to every single young person who wants to get out on the seas and enjoy the water.